Medyo napansin na rin ng ating Korte Suprema yung mga investigations in aid of legislation sa mababang kapulungan o kaya sa Senado. At sinabi, nag-issue lang naman ng reminder ang Supreme Court through Senior Associate Justice Leonen na yung Congress ay dapat mag-refrain. Huwag siyang mag-act as judge or prosecutor when conducting inquiries in aid of legislation. Wala pong power ang Senado at House of Representatives to determine whether a witness, an invited guest actually, guilty, no, doon sa mga pending investigation. Pansin din yung justice na nag-file ng petition ng mga pro-Duterte vloggers na i-stop yung congressional investigation kasi sabi nila na i-stop o napagpakilaman yung kanilang freedom of expression and freedom of speech. Sinabi rin ng Supreme Court na ang Kongreso is neither a law enforcement nor a trial agency and that yung power of investigation must be connected to the performance of their function of enacting a law. No? Sa dami ng investigasyon na nangyari dito sa Pilipinas, ano ang batas na ginawa nila in relation to that investigation? Medyo konti lang o baka wala pa. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, Congress cannot assume the power reposed on the judiciary or the prosecution. No? Hindi na pwede nilang i-usurp yung power na yon at hindi rin nila power ang mag-establish ng criminal liability nung isang witness or isang guest.